Take a look at these 5 nail shapes. They may look like they were done by an experienced nail tech, but here's the secret. Every shape started with simple guidelines and dots. If you're a beginner and nail shaping feels confusing, this technique can make the entire process much easier. Let's break down each shape step by step. Stiletto shape. First, I'm creating a stiletto nail shape. Before I start shaping any of these nails, I want to show you a simple technique that can make nail shaping much easier for you. Now I'm filing both side walls evenly and bringing them toward the center point. The goal is to create a sharp, elegant tip while keeping both sides symmetrical. Oval shape. Now let's move on to shape number 2, the oval nail shape. Unlike the stiletto shape, I'm not creating a point here. Instead, I'm gently rounding the sides and softening the corners to create a smooth, natural-looking curve. If you're learning nail shaping from scratch and want easy-to-follow tutorials like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button right now. New videos every week to help you build your nail skills step by step. Almond shape. Next, we're creating shape number 3, the almond nail shape again. My guidelines are helping me stay balanced and symmetrical. For this shape, I'm tapering the side walls inward while keeping the tip soft and rounded. Think of it as a softer version of the stiletto shape.
Perfect.
Square shape. Now we're moving on to shape number 4, the square nail shape. This shape is all about straight lines. I'm keeping the side walls straight and filing the free edge straight across the guide. Lines help me make sure everything stays even and balanced.